everyone, and welcome back to Learning Spanish with Abuela. I am Abuela. Today, we will be learning parts of our face. Different parts. Yes? How much fun. Not all of them, just some of them. All right? So, are you ready? Come learn with me. Of course, I almost forgot. Thank you for reminding me. We must exercise our mouth and our cheeks and our tongue. Yes, thank you so much for reminding me. All right, here we go. What do we start off with? Nice big yawn. Oh, that felt good. Next, let's work those cheeks. Yes, let's get them nice and loose and ready for Spanish. All right, and then open wide. And then nice big smile. Yes. We are all set. All right, come on and learn with me. Let's have fun. Okay, we're going to start by introducing the facial parts in English and in Spanish. All right, that way you know what it is in Spanish when I point at it, because the rest of the video we are only going to be reviewing them in Spanish. All right, so let's start. Okay, ojo is eye, cabeza, head, pelo, hair, cuello, neck, frente, forehead, oreja, ear, nariz, nose, mejilla, cheek, and the last one will be mentón, which is your chin. Okay? All right, now let's get started. All right, we will start off slow, okay? And we're gonna have a friend to help us today. Would everyone like to say hello? Say hi. Her name is Ana. Can you all say that? Ana. She will be helping us today. All right, so have fun. Okay, let's start off slow. Ojo, cabeza, pelo, cuello. Okay? Let's do that one again. Ojo, cabeza, pelo, cuello. All right? Okay, let's do that again. All right? Ojo, cabeza, pelo, cuello. Okay? One last time. Ojo, cabeza, pelo, cuello. Okay, let's learn the second part of the song and the different parts of the face. All right? Are we ready? Of course we are. All right. Frente, oreja, nariz, mejilla, mentón. Okay? Again. Frente, oreja, nariz, mejilla, mentón. Very good. Very good. Would you like to do it one more time? All right, let's do it one last time. Okay? Frente, oreja, nariz, mejilla, mentón. Okay? All right. Now we're going to put it together in song. Slow. Okay? All right. Let's go. Ojo, cabeza, pelo, cuello. Pelo, cuello. Ojo, cabeza, pelo, cuello. Pelo, cuello. All right? That's the first half of the song. Okay? let's try it a little faster. And it's okay if you get all mixed up. It happens to anyone. It happens to me also. Okay, so let's try to do it together. Are we ready? Okay. Ojo, cabeza, pelo, cuello, pelo, cuello. Ojo, cabeza, pelo, cuello, pelo, cuello. Very good, very good. That's the first half of the song. What did you say? Do you want to try it again? Of course. Let's try it one more time, okay? Ojo, cabeza, pelo, cuello. Ah, pelo, cuello. Yay! Very good, very good. All right, let's try the second part of the song, okay? All right, here we go. Ojo, cabeza, pelo, cuello, pelo, cuello. Ojo, cabeza, pelo, cuello, pelo, cuello. Frente, oreja, nariz y mejilla. Y también mentón. All right? A little slower? Of course. Let's go a little slower. And then we'll pick up the pace again. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Ojo, cabeza, pelo, cuello, pelo, cuello. Ojo, cabeza, pelo, cuello, pelo, cuello. Frente, oreja, nariz y mejilla. Y también mentón. How did you like that? Was that fun? All right, let's try it again. Still a slower pace. Take your time. All right, here we go. Ojo, cabeza, pelo, cuello, pelo, cuello. Ojo, cabeza, pelo, cuello, pelo, cuello. Frente, oreja, nariz y mejilla. Y también mentón. Very good. I think you all have done a wonderful job. Yes? Shall we try a little faster? Just a little bit. Just a tad bit. Okay? All right. Let's try it. Ojo, cabeza, pelo, cuello, pelo, cuello. Ojo, cabeza, pelo, cuello, pelo, cuello. Frente, oreja, nariz y mejilla. Y también mentón. Yay! Would you like to try again? Yes? All right, let's try it again. Ojo, cabeza, pelo, cuello, pelo, cuello. Ojo, cabeza, pelo, cuello, pelo, cuello. Frente, oreja, nariz y mejilla. Y también mentón. Very good. All right, one last time for today. Ojo, cabeza, pelo, cuello, pelo, cuello. Ojo, cabeza, pelo, cuello, pelo, cuello. Frente, oreja, nariz y mejilla. Y también mentón. Very good. You all did a great job today. We learned some of our facial parts today. What fun that was. Thank you so much for joining me. And don't forget to practice, okay? Practice the song so you will learn some of the facial parts. And later on, in another video, we will learn more facial parts. Yes? Now, I did want to say this now at the end. What I use to speak, I wanted to keep this to the end, okay? What I use to speak is my mouth. Yes, my mouth. In Spanish, we call that boca. Can you say boca? That is our mouth. That's what we speak with, and we use our mouth to speak many different languages from all around the world. All right? So I wanted to share that one special because our mouth is used to say things to one another, to communicate to other people. And what privilege that is to be able to do, to use our mouth to be able to speak and share with others. what our thoughts are, and the things that we know so that we can teach them and they can learn also. All right? Okay, everyone, have a great week and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to watch the videos and do not forget to ask the adult with you to subscribe and to like the video. All right, bye. Everyone have a great week. Till next time.